Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to decorate for the month of September, so the monthly spread in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. And then I thought I'd show you how I'm going to decorate my Passport Planner, just because I use it in such a different way to my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner. And I'll just do a quick little decoration of this one as well. And what I will be using this month are my back to school collection. And this collection comes with the deco stickers, the circles, the dots and swatches, as well as the quote and washi. So I'll be using all of these within this spread as well as in here. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I think I will do is put this blue sticker down here, and then put the big green sticker over here. And then I might leave that. And then just do one of these washi strips, oops, here at the bottom. And then I will use this quote here, Play, Learn, Grow, here. And then what I will do is use these bigger deco stickers, like this backpack that now looks like a face and I can't unsee it. Where did I, oh, I was just inking up a pen, that's why. There. Lucy, what would you like? She's just under my desk and she's looking at me like she wants to sit on my lap as I film. Is that what you want? You want to sit on my lap? We'll see. All right. I actually like the stack of books just like so. And then let's do the little apple here. And actually, I realized that I had a brain fart a little while ago. I was trying to book my daughter's hair appointment, and I was looking at my Google Calendar, which is set to a Monday start. And I had only switched that recently. So for some reason, I thought the Saturday was September 1st. Then the hairdresser was like, actually, it's August 31st. I had one of those moments. All right, and then let's put this around here. I love being able to finish off a, you wanna come on my lap? All right, come on, come on, come on. Okay, she is now on my lap. So let's see, where do I want to put this one? Over here. And then one last one down here. That is so satisfying being able to get all of those done. All right, so, oh, Lucy. All right, then I'm gonna just move her here. So I use the monthly spread in my Common Planner as a social media planner. So down the side here, I write down which sticker kits I'm going to be using. And then throughout the whole month, I am basically listing what I'm going to do for videos and things. So I'll show you what August looks like. And for me, having all of the videos or the posts for Instagram all in one place like that makes it really easy to plan. And then when I'm planning ahead, I use these little sticky notes that I actually cut in half from Stationery Pal. They were the Memo Me sticky notes, and I love them because some of them I can use over and over, and then other ones, it's just a quick little reminder about what's coming. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is remove the sticky notes, and then every day of this month, I'm going to write down IG and YouTube for Instagram and YouTube. And again, this helps me visualize how I'm going to take pictures and film for the whole month. I'm gonna now go in and start writing down the posts that I know that I'm going to do. So for example, on the Tuesdays, I know it is going to be my A5 Plan With Me. And for me, even writing it down like this AG, A5, plan with me. Writing it down like this, even though I know it happens pretty much every Tuesday, writing it down helps me get it done. And then I'm going to have a few pen reviews coming up in the next few weeks here. So new pen day, lucky star, and then this one will be August progress update for my inks. And then the 12th will be days 1 through 10 of 30 inks. And then that Saturday is also going to be another new pen day. And it's going to be the Model J. Funny enough, these two pens I bought before the San Francisco Pen Show, and I will be receiving them at the San Francisco Pen Show just because it was cheaper to get it shipped within the US. And then new releases. New releases are coming out a little bit later in September because there's something happening towards the end of, say the end of September. When is this video coming out? Okay, by the time this video is posted, it'll have been announced that I am part of the Canadian planner sale, the CPC sale that's happening between September 20th and 22nd. That's why the new releases are coming out later. And then here will be days 11 through 20 of 30 inks. And then daily journal will happen here. And probably the monthly setup will happen here as well. Or here, either one of those days. We will see. Our monthly setup. And put it there. Because I am assuming there will be probably 2 other pens that I will be reviewing here, and then I can do some inky stuff here. Oh, I love it. I love it. So I no longer need these, but then I can transfer them over to the next month. So for example, my daily journal. See, I already have one for, what date is that? The 3rd. And I can put my daily journal here on the 24th. New release will probably happen on the 17th. And then progress update. I won't be having a progress update for this because it's 30 inks, 30 days. And then the rest of these I can get rid of. Perfect. Okay. So I've gone ahead now and then decorated my A5 common planner. Let's go ahead and do this cute little one really quickly. If you don't know what I use this for, it's really my on the go and my wallet planner. Oh, Lucy. And this one is really, it's not used daily like my A5, for example. This one is strictly for any appointments and things that I need to remember. So let's see here. I want to actually do something at the bottom. Yeah. No, hold on. Actually, let's see if I can put the washi across those days. And okay, and then it's always going to be hard right in the seam. Perfect. Then I feel like I can use a lot of these throughout the rest of the months as well. So then let's see, let's put I also don't want to put a ton of decoration here because I like to keep it simple for this planner, because it really is one that is really more functional than anything. It's not one that I spend a lot of time decorating because it's not one that I spend a lot of time in. So I'm going to use some of the dots and swatches as well for some appointments, like for example, Lucy at Hollywoof, going to Niagara Falls. Like those are the important things that I have in here. And then anything else that needs to get added for appointments, then I will add it in. Let's put some circles over here. And actually I'll put it with the green. So it's a very cool tone spread. I mean, yes, it is cool, but you know. All right, so very simple. And then the rest of these I'm going to use in the actual weekly for September. So I have weekly pages here that I can use them in. So I'll just show you quickly then how I decorate one of the weekly spreads. Let's do this because that's the actual week that the kids go back to school. So I need a different pen here. When I am doing my spreads in here, there we go. I'm using my brush pen. So I keep track of any mail that I am expecting this week. The fact that this is actually, oh, I'm gonna use this pen because I can. This is Labor Day. Labor Day. And then first day of school. Then we don't have any other plans that I know of yet. Then down at the bottom here, I have any important tasks that I need to remember. And then here, just a quick one for next week. And then this is where I can use my dots and swatches. So, whoops, 1, 4. Oh, those got stuck. Whoops. Oh, my fingers. 1, 4. Oh my gosh. That's very sticky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Wait. Nope. Yes. Oh, my brain. And purple. Oh my gosh, what is on my finger? And then another red one. And then we'll do yellow and green. So yeah, I keep the decoration in here very simple. One, it's not one that I normally take photos of. And two, it's one of those planners that for me, it's not meant to be Instagram worthy. This really is a functional planner for me. So there we go. And I'm thinking next year I'll probably get the booklets from what is her name? From Sterling Ink. I will probably get those, the booklets versus the whole planner, because there's a whole bunch of pages at the back that I'm not using. So, okay, the 7th, 10:30. Lucy at Hollywood. And I know that there are some things that I do duplicate from this planner to the next planner, but the main thing is, I think that's really the point of the Passport planner, is that I do duplicate because this is the planner that goes out with me when I have appointments and things to do. I do not take my A5 planner out with me because of the fact that it's too big and too bulky. And this little Passport planner fits inside my week size wallet. So the information actually should be duplicated between the two, because this is the one that I take everywhere with me. And then this is the one that stays home. So isn't that cute? Oh, I really like that. Very simple spread in my Passport planner. All right, so I think that is it for me. Let me flip to the September here. I hope this has been helpful just to show you two different ways that you can certainly decorate a monthly spread using the same stickers. I love being able to use the same stickers between each of these because one, they match, and two, it just shows that there are different ways of being able to use a monthly spread that doesn't have to be just one way. Make it work for you. All right, but that is it. Thanks again so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again and have yourselves a great day.